Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about FICO scores and how to rebuild your credit with a FICO score. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. And just know I'm here for you. You can ask your questions on this video. Okay. How to bring your FICO score up. It's very easy. It don't cost anything. You may see companies that's offering this service for a fee. There's no need to pay anybody to do this. You can do this yourself. It's very easy. Your FICO score is determined mostly by your available credit. If you have good available credit, a lot of available credit on your credit cards, chances are you can do this yourself. Chances are you can rebuild your FICO score. This is not the only way to build your FICO score, but this is the easiest and the fastest. Okay, when you get a credit card, no matter how big it is, I'm just taking a number out of the sky, $10,000. If you got a $10,000 credit card and you want to pay it off, don't pay it off all at one time. That does not help your FICO score a bit, because they're going to look at it as he got a whole bunch of money and now he wants to pay off his credit cards. This is not indicative of what he does. So that's not really going to help your credit. What they want to see is consistency in payments. You keep paying your payments, pay a little more than your payments to bring the principal down. That's what they want to see, consistency. And the fact that you're not spending that credit card anymore. Lock that credit card away and just make your regular monthly payments until you get down to where you've got 2/3 of the $10,000 as available credit. Then you're looking better. Keep paying your monthly payments. Keep that card locked away. Don't use it until you get way down where you can pay it off every month. And then once you get to that point, say you get it down to $50 as a balance. Don't pay that off. Use that card then. Use it one time a month. Maybe to get a tank of gas. Maybe buy your groceries. Then at the end of the month, pay it off. The next month, get a tank of gas, buy your groceries, then pay it off. That's consistent. That will give you higher available credit, and they'll see that you're responsible with your money. Now, imagine if you've got 3 or 4 credit cards and you do this with it. Say, for instance, you got 4 credit cards, $10,000 a piece. Okay, once you've got this down, you've got $40,000 worth of available credit that you're not using. They look at that very favorable because, again, your FICO score is mostly on your available credit. They do go by your credit history, but by now, making those regular monthly payments and not using it, you've built up a good history. So your FICO score is going to naturally go up, and you're not paying a company to do that, because a company can't do that really. They're trying to sell you a bag of goods, so don't fall for that. You can do it yourself. And what I've just told you is the same thing they're going to tell you. They're not really going to do anything. They're going to just tell you what I told you. You're going to actually do it, so why not do it this way by yourself? Okay, now, don't ever pay off your credit cards completely. Well, if you do pay them off, don't close the accounts. If you close the accounts, you've wiped off everything that you've just done. Yeah, you've got the good credit rating because you paid off those accounts. But now you don't have the available credit to build your credit score. You've got to have that available credit. Don't carry those paid off cards in your wallet or in your purse. Lock them in a bank vault or a vault at your house or somewhere. Don't carry them, because if you do carry them, you will spend them. Temptation is hard. Okay. Again, I'm just going to reiterate. Don't pay them cards off completely at one time. That don't look good in the eyes of the creditor. What looks good to them is consistent payments every month. That's what they want to see, and that's the only thing that's going to build your credit rating up. Like if you go to buy a car today, the main thing they're going to look at, they look at your credit history, but they also know everybody has trouble from time to time. The main thing they look at is that FICO score. So if you can bring that FICO score up, you're golden. So work on paying those cards down to where you can pay them off every month, but then reuse them every month to buy gas, to buy groceries or whatever. But then go right then and pay them off. That's consistency. That's building consistency. That shows that you're responsible with your money. The fact that you've got, say, $40,000 worth of available credit, but you're not using it, that proves that you're responsible and you can avoid temptation. That looks very good for you when you go to make a big purchase like a house or a car. So, available credit is king. Build your available credit by not spending. Now, y'all, if you do all these things, you're going to see that it's easy. It don't take long to do it if you lock that card away. Get it out once a month just to go buy a tank of gas or something after you get it down to where you don't really carry a balance. I hope this has helped. Please give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, leave your comments. And remember, if you got a low FICO score, chances are when you go to get a car or a house, if you can get it, you're going to pay twice as much, maybe 3 times as much interest as you have to. As long as you got a good FICO score, you can walk in anywhere and get anything you want, and you're going to get it at very reasonable interest rates. The funny thing about credit is, if you don't need credit, if you could pay cash for it, they're going to give you very low interest rates. The people that can't afford it, they know who you are if you can't afford it. They're going to give you high interest rates. It don't make any sense, but that's the way they work. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Until the next time, bring those FICO scores up. Ciao.